Hello friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Jagdish. In this video, we will learn tab panel in Visualforce. Here I am create one page. After that, I am write tag apex tab panel. Inside this tab panel, I am write apex tab label is home. By using this tag apex tab, I am create first tab home. Name is home 1 and ID is tab 1. Inside this I am write hello world, welcome to Pune. Close this apex tab. Now I am create another tab apex tab label of second tab is employee, name is employee 1 and ID is tab 2. Inside this I am write hello world, welcome to Mumbai. Now save this. Now we can see here home and employee tab is successfully created. Home content hello world, welcome to Mumbai. When I am click on employee tab, then it show hello world, welcome to Mumbai, and home tab shows hello world, welcome to Pune. In this way we can create tab panel in Visualforce. Please like video and subscribe my channel for upcoming video. Thanks for watching.